Today, I will be doing a virtual showing of this magnificent mountain home located at the north side of Lake Arrowhead, just a half-mile away from the lake. You won't want to miss this stunning architectural masterpiece that effortlessly blends modern sophistication with rustic charms, and we're getting after it right now. If you are new to this channel and would like to know everything about living in Lake Arrowhead, buying or selling your home in Lake Arrowhead and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you will be the first to know about the current market in Lake Arrowhead and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities. My name is Alma Borcuk with the Living in Lake Arrowhead California team. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to buy or sell their home in Lake Arrowhead and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're making your move in 9 days or 90 days, just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We're here ready to help make the buying or selling of your home a smooth and stress-free experience. As I mentioned, this home is located at the north side of Lake Arrowhead. This home is within Arrowhead Woods, and so it has lake rights. If you want to know about lake rights in detail, be sure to check my video on lake rights. This home is just half a mile away from the lake, and so it is within walking distance to the lake. But before we delve into the impressive features of this luxurious mountain dream home, let's take a drive around the neighborhood. This home is listed for $1,495,000. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 1 half bathroom. The living space is 3,776 square feet. That gives us a price of $396 per square foot. The lot size is 13,010 square feet, and it was built in 2005. This home has a level entry driveway that leads to a side-by-side 2-car attached garage. On the right side, just a few steps down is the porch and the grand entry to the house. The expansive open floor plan offers an abundance of space for entertaining friends and family. The large, almost up to the ceiling windows provide lots of natural light, showcasing the impeccable craftsmanship and exquisite details that is evident in every corner of this home. The living room has a massive rock fireplace that extends all the way up to the cathedral ceiling. It has a very spacious dining area that is open to the gourmet chef's kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom-made cabinets, and granite countertops. The array of large windows that grace the back wall offers awe-inspiring views of the lush evergreen forest that surrounds this mountain sanctuary. Walk out the sliding glass door into the massive decks and be amazed by the breathtaking beauty of nature, the sweet melody of chirping birds, and the fresh, crisp mountain air. On this level is one of the 2 master suites. This master suite has vaulted ceilings, a stone fireplace, and very spacious bathroom with a double sink, a spa tub and double shower, a huge walk-in closet, and a sliding glass door that opens to the deck outside. Right by the entry is the half bath. Downstairs is a vast family room with another stone fireplace and sliding glass door that provides access to the spacious covered deck outside. Another master suite can be found on this lower level. This master suite mirrors the upstairs master suite with its own rock fireplace, spacious bathroom with a double sink, a spot tub, double shower, walk-in closet, and glass sliding door that opens to the lower covered deck. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom on this lower level. Also on this level is the laundry room. By the kitchen are the stairs that lead to the 3rd level of this home, a roomy and open loft that may be used as an office, playroom, hobby room, or anything you would want it to be. Isn't this home absolutely amazing? If you are interested in this home or any other listing in Lake Arrowhead and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities, then feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is in the description below. I am here ready to help you find that perfect mountain home. And be sure to check my other videos where I feature other homes in Lake Arrowhead and the surrounding San Bernardino mountain communities. And subscribe to my channel and tap the bell for notifications so you will be alerted when I post a new video. And I post new videos weekly. So now, are you ready to join me on a virtual showing of this magnificent mountain home? Let's go and enjoy the showing.